How do you prepare not to lose your children to DCF in Massachusetts? And how you prepare not to lose your children to DCF in Massachusetts can be at times very burdensome. It can be very simple. Recently had a case where a father and a mother were involved in a heated divorce situation, and the father made some serious allegations against the mom. And the mom had a very young baby. So the baby obviously can't take care of itself, and father was alleging mental health issues regarding the mother, which were just preposterous. But DCF has to investigate it. So you don't want to shoot the messenger. What you want to do is provide information to them that can offset what's being said. So I got a release signed by the client and got the medical records. And ironically, mother's medical records from her primary care doctor had nothing in there that she didn't have postpartum depression. And I was very surprised by that, because we could make the argument, well, she doesn't have postpartum depression because it's not in the medical records. Well, it's also in there that she doesn't have it, is the counter argument by DCF and the father. So we got the medical records for the child as well, which, much to my chagrin, had in there that mother did not experience and does not have postpartum depression. And father's argument went right in the toilet that mother had mood swings, she was postpartum depression, the baby's at risk, yada, 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 yada. It was all garbage. But the records, they don't lie. The records were written prior to this complaint. So the records preceded father saying this. So they weren't doctored or made up in favor of mother by the doctor or by anybody else. So it was great evidence. DCF looked at it, much to DCF's credit. They knew that mother wasn't crazy, didn't have any problems, didn't have any mental health issues. We also corroborated too, though, with many other people with affidavits, such as her employer. And her employer said nothing but just the highest regard for this mother and her work ethic and her honesty to a fault, and how she was loyal and she was just went above and beyond at work, which showed she didn't have any mental health issues, nothing that ever had anybody question anything about her. But we had 11 years of outstanding grades regarding her work performance, her attitude, her conduct, her behavior. Not only on the job, but outside the job, her peers loved her. So selling this case to DCF and telling them that this just isn't true was simple, it was easy. Sometimes it's not always that simple, but this one it was.